Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Engineering Geology Lab. In this lab, we'll discuss the identification of quartz group of minerals. Aim of the experiment to identify quartz group of minerals based on their physical properties. Apparatus or tools required are streak plate, Mohs scale of hardness, and a penknife. We have two variety of quartzes, crystalline variety of quartzes and cryptocrystalline variety of quartzes. Now we'll discuss crystalline variety of quartzes. We'll see common physical properties of all these quartz group of minerals: form or habit, hexagonal, crystalline, massive, color, colorless, white, pink, gray, etc. Streak, they do not streak on streak plate. We'll see these minerals do not streak on streak plate. This mineral could scratch the streak plate because hardness of this mineral is greater than that of streak plate. We have another variety of quartz that is pink in color that also can scratch streak plate. These minerals will not yield streak on streak plate. Next, luster. These minerals shines like broken glass. Then the luster is vitreous to subvitreous. Cleavage, there is no the cleavage in this particular mineral. There is devoid of cleavage. Cleavage is absent. Fracture, conchoidal to subconchoidal. Hardness, see we have hardness box. The quartz hardness is in as per Mohs hardness scale. Hardness of quartz is 7. The softest mineral is talc, gypsum, calcite, apatite, fluorite, apatite, orthoclase, quartz. The quartz hardness 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Quartz hardness is 7, right? Daffinity, transparent to opaque. Specific gravity, medium, 2.65. Name the quartz group of minerals. The chemical composition of quartz group of mineral is SiO2. Occurrence, they commonly occur in acidic igneous rocks. Uses, these minerals can be used as abrasive semi-precious stone in glass industry and electronic industry. Now we'll take the mineral one by one. First we'll take this sample. Alright, what is the color of the mineral? The habit is crystalline, right? Color, colorless. Streak, we saw that they do not streak on streak plate because hardness of this mineral is greater than that of streak plate. Luster, vitreous, they shine like the glass. This mineral is shining like glass. The luster is vitreous. Cleavage, absent. There is no weak planes along which the mineral can split by yielding a plane surface, right? The cleavage is absent. Fracture, you can see the concentric cells like fracture, right? It resembles the broken edge of the glass. That fracture is known as conchoidal fracture. In quartz group of mineral, you can see conchoidal fracture. Hardness is 7. We already determined that. Affinity, light can pass through it, therefore it is transparent. Specific gravity, medium, 2.65. Name, quartz, colorless. Composition, SiO2. Occurrence, these minerals commonly occur in acid igneous rocks. Uses, this mineral can be used as abrasive, semi-precious stone in glass industry and electronic industry. We'll take another mineral in this quartz group, crystalline variety of quartz. Right, the form, habit crystalline, color milky white, streak, do not streak on streak plate, luster vitreous to subvitreous, cleavage is absent, fracture is conchoidal. You can see conchoidal fractures, right, in there, conchoidal fractures. Hardness is 7, affinity translucent, light can pass through only the edges of the mineral, translucent, right. Specific gravity, medium, 2.65. Name, milky quartz. Composition, SiO2. Occurrence, they commonly occur in acid igneous rocks. This mineral can be used as abrasive, semi-precious stone in glass industry and electronic industry. We'll take another mineral that's a pink in color, right. The form, habit crystalline, color pink, streak, they do not streak on streak plate, luster vitreous to subvitreous, it is vitreous in luster, cleavage absent, fracture conchoidal, you can see conchoidal fracture, alright, you can see conchoidal fracture here, right. Hardness 7, affinity transparent to translucent, specific gravity medium, 2.65. Name, rose quartz. Chemical composition, SiO2. This mineral commonly occurs in acid igneous rock. Uses, it can be used as abrasive, semi-precious stone in the glass industry and electronic industry. We have one more mineral in this group, two more minerals in this group. The gray in color, right, the habit crystalline, the color is gray, they do not streak on streak plate because hardness of this mineral is greater than that of streak plate. Luster vitreous to subvitreous, cleavage is absent, fracture conchoidal fracture, you can see conchoidal fracture, right, you can see conchoidal fractures, right. Hardness is 7, affinity translucent to opaque, medium, specific gravity. Name, smoky quartz. Chemical composition, SiO2. Occurrence, commonly occurs in acid igneous rocks. Uses, it can be used as abrasive, semi-precious stone in glass industry, as ornamental and in electronic industry. We have special variety of quartz and a crystalline variety of quartz, right. It is showing hexagonal shape, right. Yeah, the form, habit, the hexagonal crystalline, color colorless, streak, do not streak on streak plate, luster vitreous, shining like glass, cleavage absent, fracture conchoidal to even, right. You can't see concentric circle like, but nearly concentric circle, right? We can say conchoidal, to even fracture. You can see in this mineral, subconchoidal to even fracture. I can say hardness 7, affinity transparent, specific gravity medium, name rock crystal. This variety of quartz is called as a rock crystal. There is a special name for this mineral. Composition SiO2, commonly occur in acid igneous rocks. Abrasive, it can be used as abrasive semi-precious stone in the glass industry as well as in the electronic industry. With this, I stop this lab here, and the next lab we'll discuss about cryptocrystalline variety of quartzes.